Yo, what's up guys? It's Kimberman from Kimberman Gunpla Studio, and today got here Moderoid model kit here from Mecha anime DANGAIOH. So this is the DANGAIOH non-scale from Good Smile Company, and it can transform by the use of interchangeable parts, transform and combine, something like that. So this, in short, a combiner model kit here, where we can separate this thing into four kinds of jet, and vice versa, something like that. But in this video, I'll not do the combination sequence or the separation for this thing, because I am not very interested in that kind of mechanism for a model kit, since that makes the model kit lose in the long run, and lose all parts or lose some parts for that, and that is very lazy, or that can be very tedious and very lazy to do that. So let's have a quick review for this in terms of articulation and size comparison. So for articulation, this kit is really stiff, a bit stiff, and the head can rotate up to this manner. And for the arms here, the elbows, the shoulders can rotate 360 degrees somehow, like that. Okay, and the shoulder armor here can raise up a bit like this, and lower down like that. And for the elbows, it can rotate somehow like this, and can bend 90 degrees bend. So it's not that dynamic and posing, because it's very stiff, and you know what, the parts is not that, or the pegs are not that good. You need to somehow sand it so that it can fit well inside those sockets there. But still, it's not advisable to play this thing very often, because it will really damage the pegs and the tightness. It will get loosened up. But let's go first with the torso. So the torso can move like that because of the ball joint, and it can also rotate somehow. And for the legs, it can kick freely to this far, because there's no side skirt and front skirt that can hinder the movement of the legs. So the knees can bend, two-way bend like this. And for the feet here, can swivel side to side and move like this, the plantar flex and plantar extend, plantar flex, like that. Can move side to side like that, which is very cool. Can also do some splits like that, but just be very careful, because those joints here are really tight and can be menacing sometimes. Okay, so the weapon included with this kit is only the sword, the DANGAIOH sword, and I changed the hands. Instead of using those psychic wave hands, I changed it to Dalindical hands for this kind of hands, the claw type articulated hand. So I like it to be like this, because I want to make it more a bit master grade-ish. So there we go. So the size comparison, let's go with the size comparison for this DANGAIOH here. This is 18 centimeters in height, by the way. So if we're going to compare it with other Moderoid kits, non-scale, so let's compare it with the Big O. So the Big O is taller than the Dangaioh, and let's compare it with Giant Robo. So there we go. Dangaioh is smaller than the two, and if we're going to compare it with average size master grade model, so I got here the Ban Mars jacket, Astro Red frame. So the Dangaioh is a bit taller than the Mars jacket. So if we're going to compare it with other Super Robot characters like the Amplified or the Infinitesium high grade, so they're about the same height. So Infinitesium here, Mazen Kaiser, and this Dangaioh here are, for me, categorized as super robots. And if we're going to compare it with the average size master grade from Gundam, and there we go, they're about the same height. So Gundam here and Dangaioh are about the same height. So thank you so much for watching this quick review of the Moderoid model kit Dangaioh, and see you next time. God bless, good luck, and take care.